Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn another application, which is a good application. You should use it. The name of application is WhatsLog. This is specifically for WhatsApp. By using this application, you can check online timing of anyone. Yes, you just have to need their number, and you can check online details, online timing, when they become online and when they go offline. This application have 1 million plus downloads. This is a good application, but do not use it for illegal activity. So let's go to application. Let's open it. Now you can see it's opening. There's a option setting subscription. Yeah, three type of subscriptions: first way, second way, and get free subscription. So I'm on a free one, so you gonna try free one too. But as you can see, I'm gonna delete this contact. Go to this button, go to WhatsApp. Yeah, enter the number with country code. For Pakistan it's 92. Don't check my online timing details, okay? I'm laughing. Well, you can save and with any name. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. As you can see, there's a man. Yeah, when you click on that, you can see how when he was online, at what timing he was online, complete details for today. As you can see, there is an option of today. This is the online timing of daylight. When you go to night, there's a option in which you can see there is a moon. Yeah, this one. And during that time, he was online for 57 minutes and 9 seconds. In free subscription, you can only add only one number, not more than one number. So you can turn it off and add another number. As you can see, now I refresh it and that person is online now. You can see here. Okay, you can see the online timing without. They will never know who is checking their profile and what is going on with their number. You just need their number and you can check all these type of details easily without letting them know if you are checking these details or not. So there's more. Let me see. Subscription. As I told you about this earlier, you can't add another number on free subscription, but on paid subscription you can add multiple numbers. I was not paid to create a video on this. This is for educational.